Page 163 covers the topic of interval inversion. Of course, to invert, your text says it's to change position, and you might think it means just to turn it over, and there are ways it can mean that, but we're going to use that word more in later chapters. But for right now, it does mean to flip over the interval. So here we have a major second, A flat to B flat. If you take that A flat and put him up an octave, now we have the inversion of this interval. Or we could take the, or you could take the B flat and move that down an octave, and it's inverted also. So both of these are inversions of the original interval. Just like down here, there's plenty of examples. C, then up to E. Well, what if you went E up to C? That's also inverted. Or E below C. Now, when you do this, of course, the size changes. Here, this was a third. Now, this is a sixth. This is also a sixth. This is a fourth, D to G, but G to D is a fifth, or G to D down here. And down here, B flat to E is a fourth, E to B flat, or E to B flat is a fifth. Notice that not only does the size change, but the quality changes. The major third became a minor sixth. The perfect fourth did not change. It stays a perfect fifth, but the augmented fourth becomes a diminished fifth. This actually is a good trick to know when you're learning to do diminished intervals. Because when you flip them over, when you invert them, a major interval will become a minor interval, and vice versa. A minor interval becomes major. Perfects become perfects. They don't change. But diminished will be augmented. Augmented will become diminished. And they don't tell you, but doubly diminished become doubly augmented. Doubly augmented become doubly diminished. And as far as the size, you can kind of memorize that too. A second becomes a seventh. A third, a sixth. Fourths become fifths. Fifths become fourths. And then the opposite up here. Sixths turn into thirds. Sevenths turns into seconds. And they don't tell you, but unisons become octaves. And octaves become unisons. So here, let's do these together. Stop your video, figure out your answers, and then we'll go through them together. This is a perfect fifth, A to E. Inverted, E to A, it's now a perfect fourth. C to E flat is a minor third. If you put it E flat C, you could put it here and here, or here and here. That's now a major sixth. This is a major sixth. When you write G B flat, it's a minor third. E sharp to C is a diminished sixth. C to E sharp is an augmented third. G to F is a minor seventh. F to G, a major second. F sharp to C is a diminished fifth. C to F sharp is an augmented fourth. B to F is a diminished fifth. F to B, an augmented fourth. A sharp to G sharp is a minor seventh. G sharp to A sharp is a major second. D to F sharp is a major third. F sharp to D is a minor sixth.